I need to get me one. My brother.
You live? Damn, you with your brother? You live with your brother?
You said what?
You live with your brother?
No, my brother live with me. He allergic to animals.
Oh, tell him square up then. Hey,
what's up with you, bro?
I'm really chilling, bro. I'm just sitting here making music. This, bro. Look, I need to get this one-on-one in, bro. One day, bro.
Just let me know whenever. You know what it is.
Bro, I will fly out whenever. But look, I'm finna get off this. I don't want my. Oh yeah. I will let y'all know. Hey, y'all. Why y'all thinking we on some famous people stuff? I ain't trying to cuss because it's kids here. Why y'all think I'm trying to be famous, bro? We played high school basketball against each other while y'all playing. So
I gave him buckets.
He gave everybody buckets. No, this is not no two verified Instagram niggas just linking up. No, we played high school.
No, each other since high school.
Yeah, high school. So
for real.
That's it. So it's not just, we two verified niggas. We are, but that's it. But look, I see all my weird fans coming in. I ain't trying to do that.
Let me get out of here, bro.
All right, be safe, bro.